Today, gonna be doing an unboxing of a wireless lavalier mic set. This is the XS Wireless 1 kit from Sennheiser. Down the road, I will be doing a true review and demo compared to the onboard mic on this camera and compared to a shotgun mic, so you can hear the difference in sound quality and so forth. I won't be able to compare to other units because I would have to have other wireless lavalier mic set, but pretty much will give you the idea of what the sound quality is and so forth. This unit does retail for $299.99 in the US. In most retail stores, of course, you can get it cheaper depending on where you buy from, whether you buy it from eBay or you buy it from a legitimate retail store. So let's go ahead and get right to the unboxing. And here's the box so far, so you can get a good view of the box. Here's the back of the box pretty much. And then there, they can give you some details on the side of the box right there. So let's go and get to the unboxing part of it. And then you have the first thing is the manual. It's actually slotted in too. So here's the manual for the kit. Okay, here they give you a frequency reference chart right there. Also about more products like the headphones they sell. Some advertisement. Now here's the transmitter. Take it out the back. Takes 2 AA batteries, and then you got your power sync, and you can check and so forth. Adapter. Put that aside there. So you know, you do get different adapters depending on what region you're in. 2 AA batteries for the transmitter, which is nice. They included that. Here's the lavalier mic itself. Have the clip for your shirt. We'll have to see how that sounds. And then here's the receiver itself. So let me go and get this out of the box real quick. Lightweight plastic. But there you go. Then here's your balance input and your unbalanced input. You got your SQ, and then for your power adapter, and then it even gets for, I guess, to route the cable into there so you don't pull it straight out. Here's the top. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the Sennheiser XS Wireless 1. Thank you.